Are your live streams dropping or skipping frames when you stream large games like Call of Duty? Stick around, I'll show you how to fix it. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gen X. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix those lagging and skipping frames in your OBS or your SLOBS. There are tons of reasons why you would be experiencing lag or drop frames in your OBS. First of all, let's make sure that your computer and your processor are running tip-top shape. Last month, I made a few videos on how to check and maximize your processor within your PC. Go ahead and check out those videos if you haven't already. Once you know that your computer's running properly, then we can go ahead and move on to OBS and make sure that your OBS settings are proper. All right, once you guys know that your computer is running properly and your processor isn't under stress, then we can go ahead and move on to OBS. Let's go ahead and show you how to do this. All right, the very first thing that you guys are gonna wanna do for this is the most important step of the three, you guys. What you're gonna wanna do is right-click on your OBS or your SLOBS, then right-click on the name again. And what you guys are gonna wanna do is run as administrator. Running your OBS as administrator allows your OBS to take priority in your processor above all other processes running on your computer. Meaning if you're running Discord, music, and a video game while you're running OBS all at the same time, that your processor prioritizes your video game, your music, before it starts prioritizing your OBS, which is gonna cause skipped frames, drop frames, and lagging if you have a stressed out PC. All right, the next thing I'm gonna show you guys is how to disable preview mode. What you're gonna do is right-click next to the preview window and then turn off preview by clicking enable preview. What this does is it takes off tremendous amounts of stress on your processor while you're streaming. Instead of your PC having to process your video game and your stream preview, this cuts it in half, allows your PC to only have to process that image. Now, the third step is probably the most important, the most obvious as well, but for some reason, most everybody seems to overlook it. When you're live streaming, you'd like to add things to your overlays. Let people know what your social is, let people know your download codes, have a bunch of flashy things on your screen. All this does is eat up your processor and slow down your game. I've got probably 5 or 6 things on my screen right now. My logo, my social, my code. And as you can see, my OBS GPU right now is spiking at 43%, and I'm not even live streaming right now. Watch how much this GPU drops when I take all of the flashy things off my screen. Now that I've turned all the overlays off except for my screen capture, let's go ahead and look at it now. Yeah, there's my OBS right here, running at 5% now, compared to the 40% that it was before. That's an extreme difference, and I have very high specs on this computer. So you can only imagine how bad it is with low specs when you have a bunch of overlays running on your screen. So if you're having skipping or drop frame issues, make sure that you turn off all of those overlays. Make sure that you disable preview mode, and make sure that you're opening OBS in administrator mode. Well, that's it, you guys. It's as easy as that. If you follow those 3 steps, I guarantee you that your OBS is going to be running a lot smoother. If you have any more questions or concerns, go ahead and light up that comment section below the video. Appreciate y'all taking time to watch the video. Hope that helped you out. Y'all have a great day. Remember, don't be toxic. Spread positivity. We'll see you next time.